by default, when you're booking a course, you're going to be asked for the main details of the person who's doing the booking. So even if I book more than one space and complete my checkout process as usual, Meili Joseph, that's going to be the name I'm going to use. I accept, continue, and then I'll place this booking. You'll see that in the admin for this course, it's going to be showing me just the details of the person who's done the booking. So it shows that this person has booked 4 spaces. I don't have the details of everybody else, like of all the people attending. I only have the details of the person who booked. Now, if I want to capture the details of everybody that's going to be attending, you can choose to enable an extra option on your course. So if I go into the edit mode for this course, go into settings, and under the booking form, you see there's an option here to request the details of each attendee/guest. If I enable this, I now have the option to choose a form to use for each attendee. So I can pick any of my forms, and in this case, I'll click this option to use the short and simple form. Now I'm going to save. And before I go any further, I want to highlight that there's an extra option here to create each guest as a contact. I'll go into that in a minute, but for now, I'm just going to leave it off, which is the default setting. If I go back to my course and refresh, you'll see that now, even before I add any extra people onto this booking, I have an extra field here, and it says, will you be attending the course yourself? Right? So we recognize that a lot of times the people making the booking are not going to be the people attending the actual course. So we are prompting them to say, will you be attending? If it's yes, then we don't ask any more details. If no, they're going to be prompted to enter the details using the form that you've selected as the guest form. And there you go. You'd enter the details like so and complete your booking. Continue, booking placed. And of course, in the admin, you'll see this contact come through. Where is it actually? Refresh. Oh, right, sorry. There you go. You'll see this contact come through, and it shows that this person booked, but they're not actually attending themselves. This is the person that's going to be attending the actual course. Now, let's go and try that again. I'm going to go and refresh. I'm going to add 2 more people onto this. I'm going to say that I'm going to be attending, but you'll see I'm going to be entering the details for the 2 guests as well. Once I'm done, I'll just continue. Booking is placed. I'll refresh here. And there you go. That's that booking. If I open this up, you can see that this person is the booker, but there's also 2 more people. So when you look at the booking in itself, you'll be able to see all the contact details of these individuals. Now, it's quite subtle, but you'll see that these, some of them are going to be underlined and some not. So this is the person who's made the booking. And if I click on them, I'll see their full contact record, including all the emails and everything else that I've sent to them or into all the interactions I have with them. And when I go into the contact section, I'll be able to search for that person and find them in the list. The other 2 people on this booking, Daryl Davidson, if I search for them within my contacts, they're not going to be here. So why am I telling you this? If you go into courses and then into that example course, let's say settings, booking form, this is where this option comes in. If you plan on contacting those people that are coming along, enable this, and then all the guests that are going to be on bookings are going to go into your contacts database as well. So you'll be able to search for them and filter for them and email them, for example. But if maybe you're dealing with kids, or maybe you're never going to intend to email those people, then don't clutter your database with unnecessary information. So keep this option off. All right. I hope this makes sense. If you have any, actually, let me demo this because this video is long anyway. Save course, refresh. I'll go through the same process again. I'll say I want 3 people, enter all the details, And I'm gonna just continue. Booking is placed. Let me look at this booking. So now when I look at this booking, you'll see that everyone is underlined, which means everybody is in my contact database. So I can click on here to view this contact, and you'll see that in the contact information, they're going to be listed as awaiting payment as well, like with the other ones. And if I click here, all right. Oh, I'm searching across everyone who's got marketing content. All right, Mira, there you go. Mira West is here. I hope this makes sense. And if you have any questions or feedback, please get in touch. Thank you so much. Take care.